Okay everybody, I promised that I'd do a short video on my Silverdog, which I built a little while ago. Eventually getting around to it now, so here we go. Okay, there's my circuit board, my battery pack. I packed it in a lunchbox with some foam. I know it doesn't look too pretty, but it works. My shaft, the top half, I had gotten a aluminium pipe which I then bent over there. Now the bends don't look pretty, but it works. The bottom half, there's a joint there. This bottom half over here was a PVC pipe. Then over there you can see I took a bit of PVC pipe, bent it, put a screw around it, my coil. You can actually see the coil through the resin at the bottom. I used polystyrene beads just to make it a little bit lighter. And as you can see, I fixed on a bit of a tape measure there, so I can show you some depth tests. What else? Okay, my arm cuff, that is basically a piece of drain pipe, PVC drain pipe, and I just pop riveted the thing on the back. There. Can't really see it, but that's what it looks like. Frequency knob, on off knob is actually down there. You can see my piezo buzzer. It's over here. Sorry. There we go. It's not hugely loud, but it's loud enough for me to hear. And that just goes in, and I put the front of the lunchbox on, and it all works pretty well. Okay, let me turn it on and we'll do some depth tests. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using to do some tests. As I'm in South Africa, I don't really have too many of your coins, but my sister lives over there, and I went to go visit a little while ago. So I've got a 10p, what's that, 20 I think, got a pound, and this is our 5 Rand coin, but it's similar to your £2, so I'll use that. 2 Rand coin, also South African. Okay, this is sterling silver ring, which I found not too long ago, so I'll give that a go. And then a men's wedding band, 9 carat, not very thick. And also 9 carat, not very thick. So that's what I'll use. Unfortunately, I don't have 18 karat or 24 or 22 or whatever, but we'll just work with the 9s. Okay, let's turn the machine on and we see how it goes. Okay. Okay, so I've turned it on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with a pound, and we'll see how that goes. You should be able to hear the buzzer. It's not that soft. Obviously that's pretty close. You can hear it. And if I put the camera over the top, it's pretty good so far. I can still hear it at 8 inches. Sorry, this is inches. What you guys would prefer, inches to centimeters. Even 9, I can nearly hear that at 9. Okay, let me try something else. Okay, I'm going to try my 5 Rand coin, which would be similar to your £2, so I'll try that now. Okay, you can hear that. Pretty much at 9, so that's pretty good. Okay, this is your 10p now. Okay, very obvious. Can just hear it past 9 actually, if I put the camera over there. I can just hear it. I'm not sure if you guys can, but I can just hear it. Okay, so let's try the 20p. Okay, I can just hear it. Actually, 9 inches as well. Not too bad. Okay, this is my 2 rand coin. About 7 or 8. Okay, silver ring. You can hear that quite well. It's about 7, 8. Can still hear it. It's soft, but can still hear it. Okay, now this is a very thin 9 karat gold. Okay, that's 6. I can still hear it. 7. Can hear it. 8. It's fading out, but I'd probably still dig it. 9. Nah, it's gone. Okay, the 9 karat men's wedding ring. 7. 8. I'd say you're probably good at about 8. So let me put the camera over there. It might not look like I'm doing 8, but I'm doing it. Even 9, you'd probably dig that. Okay, I thought I'd do a little bit of trash as well, especially as the pie is normally used on the beach. I get 1,000,000 of these 10 pegs, so I'll try that. Your obvious booze bottle top, and a bobby pin or hairpin, whatever you want to call it. I hate these things. I find 1,000,000 of them, so let me show you this first. Okay, obviously you can hear that. 6. I can still hear that at about 6. If I hold it this way, I can actually hear it better. But 6 or 7. Excuse the dog muscling in. Okay. Another thing that I hate. 6, 7, 8. I can still hear that. You know, I'd probably dig that signal. 8 or 9. And what else? 10 peg should make quite a loud noise. Also about 7 or 8. Suppose it depends how you hold it too. These things are on their side. You normally get quite a louder sound. Yeah, so guys, okay, there comes a cat as well. That's my silver dog. It's very nice. I must admit I don't use it as much as I should because I've now got a CS4 PI, which I use most of the time. See, there's my connection over there into my lunchbox. But yeah, anyway, it's a pretty good machine. I like it. Yeah, if you got any questions, let me know. I'll post this up as soon as I can. And yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.